President of Private School Welfare Association, Sri Abhijit Narayan Singh, MLC Bihar Legislative Council, Sri Murari Gautam, MLA in Asaram Mandal, and Sri Sanjeev sir, and all teachers present here, all journalists present here. I welcome you all in this program, and I am very happy to be here. That this forum brought so many teachers and school together to discuss, collab about welfare of children and improving quality of education in Rohtas district in Bihar or in India in totality. When we improve data of one block, not only that block or that area is improved, it reflects in data of our country overall. So small changes lead to bigger results at national and international level. This is why such efforts are very important, that different school teachers and academicians come together, and they get support from political representatives, government officers, media, in disseminating good information or good practices that support education and well-being of children. So what I have to add is that Bihar has such good policy, Gyandeep portal. So I urge and request you all school representatives that you implement Gyandeep portal very effectively in your school, so that children of marginalized sections or from economically weaker section also get to have good private education. Also, I will say that private schools should collaborate with government schools. I have studied from government school, and I believe that with good collaboration between private and government school in public-private partnership mode, where a large amount of creativity and potential can be channelized in a right direction, because government schools have good teachers, students, but they don't have resources such as outdoor activities, different kind of experiments. So if the private and public schools collaborate, then it is good for society in general. And presently, as the previous speaker said, that Rohtas has highest literacy in Bihar. So I will say that currently district magistrate Rohtas, Udita ma'am, has started a campaign, Sampurna Mahila Saksharta Abhiyan Rohtas, and I would request all of you to think and contribute in that direction also, that there is Saksharta in your block, so that and you should go there and collaborate with them, so that that target and that mission is accomplished as soon as possible. Further, I would say that a large number of you teachers also work as tutors. So, and in every school's locality, there are young students who also want to work as teachers, and they don't. If you onboard young students who are preparing for exam, जिन्होंने +2 पास कर लिया है, जो तैयारी कर रहे हैं, मैं चाहती हूँ आप अपने 50% ट्यूटर्स को उनसे लीजिए, ताकि उनकी एक एडिशनल इनकम हो और वो भी वेल सपोर्टेड हो, ताकि और ज़्यादा बेहतर तरीके से आपका स्कूल का काम, जो आपके स्कूल के टीचर हैं दे आर ट्यूटर, बट 50% ट्यूटर्स आप उनसे लीजिए, ऐसे बच्चे आसपास जो गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम की या किसी भी एग्जाम की प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, लेकिन उनके पास जो सोर्स ऑफ इनकम नहीं है. इट विल हेल्प देम इन एक्सेलरेटिंग देयर करियर एज वेल. And again, I thank you all for inviting me here, and I'm very happy to be here. Also, in general usage, it is said that private schools and education are mafia, but there are around 4 lakh private schools. Only schools are in India. So that way, indirectly, this sector is giving employment to 1 CR people in India, I believe, and any sector that gives employment to such a big number of Indian population, my huge respect to those institutions. So that way I will say that private schools are helping in employment creation, and I have my gratitude for them. Thank you.
Thank you.